Thanks for tuning in. It's 29 degrees this morning. It is cold, but I find that the cold weather makes the fish more predictable. So stay tuned. We got a stiff wind blowing. It's very cold. Sounds like fishing weather to me. Okay, the water temperature's dropped a little bit. It's 52 right now. Still too warm for this time of year. My line guides are freezing. If you're not used to fishing in cold weather like this, you need to invest in a couple of pairs of good thermal socks. Feet and hands are the important things. You want to stay ahead of the cold. If you let yourself get chilled, you'll never get warm out here. Don't know if you can see that, but my line guides are all frozen. Spot. So the wind has really come up, making it a lot colder. So I'm kind of letting the wind drift me here, so I don't just wear my trolling motor out. Another decent spot. Man, it's tough fishing just because of the wind, it's cold, trying to keep the boat I'm pretty sure it's not even, it might be 30 degrees if I'm lucky. It's cold. Boy, they just can't resist the jig. I was going to try to switch it up and use something else today, but it's so cold, so windy, that there's not much else that they'll bite right now. Tournament going on today. I'm out here on a Saturday. Usually pretty crowded on a Saturday, but it's cold and windy as it is. When I got to the boat ramp, there was only one other person. That'll be different when I go to take the boat out. There'll be people, but It's another nice spot. Wow. Oh, is it cold? So I'm just finding spots that are kind of out of the wind. It's just too cold to be in the wind. It's another nice one. Beautiful fish. Another monster spot. A good one. Man, look at the colors on those beautiful fish. They're still here. Man, it got cold in a hurry. I had a boat come in and cut right in front of me. I mean, like 15 yards ahead of me. So I had to pick up and leave. I'll just come out here and catch them. It's kind of a skinny spot, but he's long. I'll take it. Boy, he was a light biter. Again, I'm fishing with my trusty black and blue jig. Man, it just keeps working. This area is just all rock, and it drops down pretty good, close to the bank. Again, I had to find a spot that's out of the wind. The wind's blowing pretty good today too. This is an area I don't normally fish. I did catch some topwater fish here earlier this summer. There goes the guys who cut me off. Got a bluff wall kind of situation here. It looks like I'm throwing shallow, but it's pretty deep right in there. All right, thanks for watching. My trolling motor battery went kind of dead just from fighting the wind all day, so I had to leave. I still did okay. I caught quite a few fish for such a cold and windy day. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and fish with me next time.